XQuad back here with Framer plugins. It's been almost 2 days since the plugins were released, and in this video we're going to take a look at the best free Framer plugins. And yeah, we have Shopify plugins in the next 2 or 3 days, I think. And for those who don't know what is Shopify, it's actually an integration between Framer and Shopify. Let's see, what do we got? To access the plugins, you can use this button. For now, we'll test the spell checker, and when we run it, it says that there are no typos for us to correct. Keep in mind that if your text have no mistakes, this plugin might give you the same error. For example, I misspell the upgrade, and as you can see, if I run the plugin, it tells me that this word is incorrect. When I click the check button, it corrects it. That's simple. Pretty cool. This is a good plugin, and it supports multiple languages such as English, Spanish, and Portuguese, and so many more languages, I think. Yep, the second one is ASCII, which is my favorite one. It's actually super duper cool, and it gives you the ability to have your images or icons on ASCII style. Here you can choose different options based on your preferences. You can also play around with these handles to achieve your desired style. For example, I changed the size and background to what I want. Lastly, the most important option is the resolution, which provides you with various sizes and resolutions. Finally, you can either insert it or upload it wherever you like. And here we have CMS export, which many have been waiting for. With this plugin, you can easily select your desired collection, like I'm doing right now, and export it as a CSV file or copy it and use it wherever you want. That's it. Yep, the renamer plugin. It's super cool that this guy handles all the naming and layers. Yeah. Now, regarding renamer, it is very useful for larger scale projects when it comes to renaming or cleaning up layers. As you can see, I have a series of layers named container that I want to search for and replace with another name. This plugin easily does this for me. Additionally, from the cleanup section, you can tidy up your layers. You can easily search for the desired layers or click on it and select the cleanup option. This plugin is very interesting and fun, especially for if you have a graphics tablet or a digital pen that allows you to doodle. It can be useful for drawing some doodles in the background of a chat page or creating a pattern for a specific section. Yeah. Additionally, there are some handles provided here that you can use to customize your doodles. The next plugin we want to test together is Phosphor, which provides a collection of icons in various weights. The built-in search bar makes it much easier to access the desired icon. For example, if I search for arrow, it lists all the arrow icons for me. It's very similar to the icon plugins in Figma. Dither plugin is really cool, and it actually pixelates everything for you. As you can see with these handles, I can change the level of pixelation for the selected image. For example, I found it interesting in this state, so I increase its brightness a bit. In the end, you can see the number and resolution, and you can have this image in any size you want. It also has a variety of modes at the beginning, which is interesting, and you can work with it based on your own tastes. Finally, when you hit insert, it places the image where you want it to with the pixelate style, kind of pixelate style. Yeah, that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, and comment down below, and stay tuned for our plugin Shopper Frame. And yeah, see you next time. Peace.